What is a modifier? A modifier is a word, phrase, or clause that provides additional information about another word, phrase, or clause within a sentence. Modifiers can either function as adjectives or adverbs and be positioned before as pre-modifiers or after as post-modifiers the information it modifies. There are two main types of modifiers, adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives modify a noun or pronoun. Single-word modifiers can be typical descriptive adjectives. In the sentence, "They went on a family vacation," family modifies vacation. Determiners help identify to what a noun is referring. Determiners include possession, demonstrative, quantifiers, interrogatives, and articles. It was her book. The adjective her modifies the noun book, showing that the book is her possession. An adjective clause is a group of words used to describe a noun. In this sentence, extremely expensive modifies house. An adjectival clause is a dependent clause that modifies the main noun in the independent clause. Here, "who sits in the front row" modifies student. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They usually describe how, when, where, how often, or how much a verb is done. Here is a single-word adverb, nicely, modifying the verb sing. An adverbial phrase is a group of words that function as an adverb. Here, "in his bedroom" modifies the verb read. An adverbial clause is a dependent clause that modifies the main verb in the independent clause. "Until she came home from work" modifies stayed. There are three types of errors when it comes to the placement of modifiers within a sentence: misplaced modifiers, squinting modifiers, and dangling modifiers. A modifier should be placed directly before or after what it modifies, or else it can create a misplaced modifier, which can be confusing or create an absurd sentence. "I took a picture of an elephant in my pajamas." The sentence suggests that the elephant was wearing pajamas rather than the photographer. Placing the modifier next to the subject of the sentence will help fix the error. A squinting modifier occurs when the modifier could apply to either what comes before or after it. Runners who slow down briefly restore their energy. Does the modifier briefly modify slow down or restore? Move the modifier to make the sentence clearer. Dangling modifiers happen when the subject being modified is not present in the sentence. To leave school early, a parent's note is needed. The modifier "to leave school" does not have a subject to modify. By adding the subject "students," the sentence no longer has a dangling modifier.